Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the interview questions that were asked in Accenture, and this was L1, and this is for Power BI. Now let us get started without wasting much time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So again, the company was Accenture, role was Power BI developer, and experience was around 4 to 5 years. Now, the first question that was asked is what is star and Snowflake schema? Now, if you are someone who is working more around data loading, or you're someone who is working around ATL, or you're someone who is working around warehousing concepts, you will be able to answer this question. But for all others, star schema and Snowflake schema are the two types of data models that we create, generally during our data preparation. Okay, star schema is the schema where we have a central fact table connected to a dimension table. Like say, if I just try to show you through paint here. Okay, so what will happen is like, we have one table here. Sorry. Okay, assume this is a central fact table, and this will be connected to multiple dimension table, and they will be connected to through a primary unique column. Okay, so each of these will be connected through again a unique column. That is how it will work. Okay, so this is your star schema. Snowflake schema is generally about a dimension table, that is reducing your normalization and increasing the complexity of multiple joins. So now second, this is about schema. Okay. Second is how do you add comments in DAX. Now, if we go to Power BI here, if I go here, now if I try to create a measure here I can either add two forward slashes and add comments here, or I can also use, if I want to, comment multiple lines, I can use forward slash star as a beginning of my first line. I'll use this for multiple lines, and wherever it is ending with star and forward slash, it will consider as an end for those comment section. So you can use these two, okay, options to comment your uh, anything that you want to comment in your DAX function. What is row level security in Power BI? Same thing like how we have in Tableau, providing security or authentication to your data based on the permission we have, or restricting the data based on the level of access we have. Okay, so DAX filters ensures that it allows user to see only what he has access to. Okay, so now what is report view in Power BI? So if I go here you see we have four types of option. This is first Power BI, report view, where we actually create a visualization. Next we have table view, where we create our structure. Then we have model view, and then we have DAX query view. So these are the four views that we can switch between, okay, while creating our data. Now, what is X variable in DAX? So in DAX, like if I go to again here, so and if I start writing, so here we have X here. So he's talking about this some X, or we have average X, refers to current row context while performing calculation. So it refers to the current row here. Okay. So X variable is an iterator function used in what do you call? Let me write it down. Okay. I'll just write it something like this. X variable is used in iterator function like sum x. So they are all iterator functions we call sum x, average x, etc. and refers to current row. They refer to current row. Okay, while performing calculations. Okay, so x means present row. Remember that point. Okay. Next is again what is DAX in Power BI? DAX refers to data analysis expression. It is a formula language used in Power BI for creating calculated. Like in Tableau, how we create calculated here to create any new calculation. This is what we use. So this is called as a DAX here. Okay, we can write leverage functions, whatever we have in this. Okay, so we can create a dimensions, we can create measures, we can create any form of data analysis. All of that can be done in this DAX functions. Okay. Next is how many types of relationships exist in data modeling. So Power BI supports one to many, many to one, and one to one relationship. So we have all the probabilities one to many, many to one, and many to many. So you can choose based on how you want. Next is what are the three tabs on the left side of Power BI desktop. So again, now if I go here, these are the tabs he is talking about. Okay. We have a report view for visualization. We have a data view or a table view for data analysis, and model view for managing relationships between the data. So all of this we can use while creating our dashboards. Can you explain the key functionality of Power BI query editor? Okay, so Power Query Editor is used for data transformations primarily for, like, say, your main purpose of cleaning, you are merging, appending, or shaping, or cleansing. All of these activities can be done in Power Query editing. Like before you data load or before you load the data, this have to be done, then only you can use it. So all of that can be done in Power Query editor. Okay, so it is simply like, data preparation layer where you can create your data, clean your data, do some aggregations, remove some data. All of that you can do it here in Power Query editor. Okay, so next question that was asked was what is cardinality? So see, cardinality defines, basically it is like, identifying the uniqueness in your data. So it helps in determining how relationships are established between data or between tables. Okay, so that is your cardinality. Okay, so these were the questions that were asked in Power BI. So these are, pretty basic questions. I felt, we should be able to answer all of this given the level of experience we have. And note, there are, I mean, as far as the questions that I got, there are no scenario based questions in this. Maybe in level 2 we might see. So whenever I get that, I will definitely share it with you. For more such videos, do follow our channel where I regularly keep posting videos about the Tableau and Power BI questions. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.